Happy Earth Day! A day to protect what we build on. Seamless protection that performs. Because longer-lasting systems matter. Less waste, lower impact. Reflective performance for smarter energy use. Across every city, build to perform, built to last. Lava 20, protecting more than what's beneath it. Performance that stands the test of time. Olmeck. Proud to build what's built to last.